Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my September Boxycharm and Boxyluxe. So if you guys are new here, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription of beauty stuff. It is $21 a month and you usually get all full sizes, 4 to 5 products a month. It's pretty awesome. And then if you guys want, you can upgrade to the Boxyluxe subscription, which for that one, every third month you'll get charged a little bit extra. I think the total comes to about $49.99 for that month. It's every 3 months and you get the Boxyluxe. So you guys can do that as well. This one will have more product in it, like over $200 worth of stuff. I'm not sure exactly how many items, but it's definitely worth it. You get a ton in here. So that comes every third month, and then the other months you'll just be charged your regular $21 and get your normal Boxycharm. You do not usually get both if you're under the same email. The reason I got two is because I purchased a regular Boxycharm subscription with the Boxyluxe, and then they usually send me a PR one. So that is why I have two of them, but you kind of have to choose if you want to do the upgraded subscription or not. I like that they only do it every 3 months for the big box instead of every month, because that would be insane. So I'm going to go ahead and start unboxing our regular box for the month. The theme is all access here. Alright, so the first thing I see is actually from Moda brushes. I absolutely love them. This is the Moda Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit. This looks like a nice set. They are all black brushes, which is nice. So they're not too crazy colored, very neutral. They'll look nice in my little makeup brush holder back there. So in here you'll get a shade brush, a crease brush, a detail, smudge, and then a line one. So pretty much everything you need to create a good eye look. So for the brushes alone, I feel like that is definitely worth it. On here it says they retail for $27.95 for this little kit. In your box is $21. So as you can see, this box is definitely worth subscribing to. Alright, next up we got, this is from Billion Dollar Brows, I believe. It is the Microblade Effect brow pen. That seems kind of fun, in the shade Taupe, which is my shade, so I'm glad they got that good. It says that this brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the blade. It can be used to define a very bold brow or create natural looking brow hairs for a more subtle look. It is a long-lasting formula and will last all day. I do kind of want to swatch this. Oh, that's kind of fun. It has a little felt tip with 3 edges. And yeah, it literally creates like real brow hairs, which is kind of cool. So I'm excited to try that. I think that is really fun. We also got this from the brand Hank & Henry. It's called Stick With It. And it looks like this is a blickety black eyeliner is what it says. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. It is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. I do have a little bit of I don't know if it's necessarily hooded, it is a little bit, or I just have small eyes in general, but I'm excited to try this. It retails for $20, and that is what it looks like. Alright, next up, this is really cool. I see something from Too Faced. I'm sure a bunch of you are going to be so excited to get this. Although, I have to say this, I've noticed with Boxycharm, a lot of stuff I've gotten in my Boxycharm is stuff that went on sale during the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. So like, I feel like there's something going on. Maybe Ulta puts products that aren't selling well in their 21 Days of Beauty. And then Boxycharm also works deals with these brands to get these products at a good deal for everyone. I don't know, that's just my theory. Let me know your theories down below, but I do think it's so odd. I know they had this in the 21 Days of Beauty this year for half off, so I don't know, but it's so cool to get this. I do own this, so this will be probably in my 60K giveaway. That should be up very shortly, but it's such a good palette. I want to show you guys so you guys can see how it looks, because I don't have mine in front of me, but it's beautiful. The packaging is amazing. And then you get these shades. It is a great all-in-one palette. You have everything from highlight to blush to bronzer. Oh, by the way, the Too Faced palette retails for $44. Okay, and then we also got this. This is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. I think we got something from this line, a cleanser, not that long ago. This says that it retails for $52, which is insane. It is a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's natural occurring flora, and I don't know what that means, and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. So I'm excited about that. Sometimes my skin is a little bit sensitive, so I feel like this is going to be a really fun one to try. Alright, so that's my Boxycharm. It was pretty good. Like, that's a really good value. Of course, I already have one of the things in it, the big item, but that's totally fine with me. I don't mind giving it away to you guys. It was still definitely worth it. All right, let's see what is in this big Boxyluxe. Okay, so they also have the same theme. They just include a bigger card. I already see something really exciting. Oh my goodness. All right, so this Boxyluxe looks awesome. The first thing I'm gonna pull out, this is from Tarte. It is their Park Ave Princess Chisel Palette. I feel like I've seen this one on sale at Ulta as well, but I don't have it. I know they've been starting to let you choose a couple items, which is really nice. I think I remember doing a survey, and I have no idea what I picked. I honestly don't remember. I think I must have picked this. It is beautiful. I love like the snakeskin packaging. And then you have a beautiful contour and highlight palette. I feel like I will definitely use this. There's a lot of different shades to choose from, and it looks really nice and luxurious. So that is from Tarte. I'll go ahead and do a couple bronzer swatches for you guys. It smells like vanilla too. I love that. Here is just a little peek at the bronzers. So there's definitely something for everyone here. I am pretty excited about this. I think it's going to be really nice. By the way, that Tarte palette does retail for $45, and I was reading a little bit about it, and it says that it is waterproof, which is crazy. It says it adds warmth and dimension across a variety of skin tones, as Amazonian clay helps improve overall skin clarity. I did not know that. That's really interesting. Next I have this. Oh my goodness, this is from Violet Voss. This is the Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. Wow, this is awesome. So we get a fun little palette here. It has some fun shades in there, a couple neutrals. I'll go ahead and swatch some of these for you as well. Wow, this box seems so good. Okay, so I'm just gonna swatch a couple shades, not get too crazy here. Let's go for these colored ones because they look really cute. So we have a fun pink, a yellow, and a green. Love that. And there's still some nice matte shades in there, so you can easily create a look with this entire palette. But I really like Violet Voss shadows, so it's really exciting to get this here in the Boxycharm. This one retails for $29, and it says you get a mix of mattes and metallics. You can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. It was designed for everyday use in a stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless color combinations. So fun. Let's pull out this big daddy. This is the Sutra Beauty 32mm clipless curling iron. I do have an iron from Numi, and I feel like I only need like one, but it might be nice to have a backup because usually one I keep at work to get ready, and then it would be nice to keep one here. So I haven't tried Sutra before, but this is what that looks like. That looks so big. So this retails for $65. Oh, I was right. It's like 1¼ inch. So that's why it looks so big. But it says this clipless curling iron is a perfect tool for beach waves, glam curls, softer tight curls, and even ringlets. But yeah, I use irons like this all the time to get these curls, and I really enjoy them. They're really easy to use. So it'll be nice to have that one for my house. Let me get into something that I'm really excited about. So this is from Glow Recipe. I've been wanting this product for so long, so it's so nice to see it here in Boxycharm. It is the Pineapple Sea Bright Serum. I love Glow Recipe products. This says it is the ultimate brightening serum for brightening and smoothing, formulated with a stable blend of 22% pure pineapple juice, which is supposed to be a great source of vitamin C, and natural AHA and bromelain enzymes infused with chamomile, aloe, and vitamin E to soothe even the most sensitive skin, and it retails for $49. Okay, their products are so fun. They have stuff with watermelon, blueberry, avocado, and pineapple. Love this. So yeah, can't wait to try that. This was totally worth the box for me. Link is down below for you guys to sign up because you don't want to miss this. It's such a good deal. I only have a couple repeat products. The Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Mask. That was a repeat that we got in our original box. So this will be going in a giveaway. And then we also got a repeat of this Hank and Henry eyeliner. And I think it's in the same color, blackety black. Or blickety black. So that'll also go in a giveaway. But there's still a couple more things in here. So next up is the Stila Stale Day Liquid Lipstick. We see these all the time at TJ Maxx. This is in the shade Angelo. This one retails for $22 or $6.99 at TJ Maxx. It might be more, $7.99, $4.99. I don't know. It's one of those. But yeah, these are honestly really good. I don't have this shade, so this will be really nice. It's like the most beautiful nude pink. Let me swatch this for you. My hands will not stop shaking. I don't know what is wrong with me. I don't know if I'm like excited about my box or if I need food, but like, I don't know what, it's just weird. My hands are literally shaking. I don't even know. Can you guys see this? I don't know if you can tell. Anyways, here is the swatch. So pretty, definitely my kind of shade. And then last but not least, we have something from my favorite hair care brand. This is IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. I have not tried this. So exciting. The ends of my hair get really dry, but I always use like leave-in conditioner, but I like to put in oils. But I feel like this could be kind of similar to an oil, just in a balm form, help hydrate my ends. IGK stuff always smells really good. This smells like their beach spray. So it has like that kind of beachy coconut scent. It retails for $29, and yeah, I think that's the last product I got. Honestly, this box was incredible, especially the Boxyluxe. I'm like blown away of how good it is. Like, everything was amazing. I don't know how they're able to do this and like put in so many products. It was definitely worth it this month. Let me know down below if you guys got anything different than me. What was your favorite thing? If you tried anything yet, I want to know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.